to my channel. I wanted to show you guys how I planted the lithops. I didn't get to record it because I decided to mess with them right before the sun went down, so the lighting wasn't very good. But I really like how it turned out. Now, I'm missing one. Did it get buried? Oh, it's just that it blends in. I can't even see it. This one, I guess, maybe a little too rough, or maybe the roots were weak, but it has no roots. But I'm leaving it there, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, it doesn't have any roots, but we'll see. Yeah, this is the same pot as the one that I had for the sempervivums bowl. Also, I made drainage on it, and yeah, so this has the Cactus Miracle Grow dirt and a lot of perlite, lots of perlite, and that's it. And then the rocks. So what is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, I'm just, you know, hoping that I do a good job with these lithops. I'm pretty new to them. I only have, I think, only one or two in. Sometimes they can look like they're doing well, and really they can be dead, and they'll look good for a long time. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And also the flowers have already wilted. I did take a video this morning of them. This is my domino cactus, so I will post it right here. Yep, so yeah, you know, their flowers don't last very long. I'm sure if it was a little bit cooler, they'll probably last like up to the nighttime, but yeah, it didn't, because it's just a hot day. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Also, I'll show you this little arrangement that I made right here. So I made that, and then also this is another arrangement that I made recently. Most of the time you'll see everything on Instagram sometimes before you even see it on YouTube, because it's just a quick way of me just quickly posting a picture of it. And also this one, if you go to my Instagram and you find a short video that I made, you will see how small they were, and look at how big they are now. Like, I have to take this out because they're outgrowing the pot already. And well, let's see what else. I will update you on, remember all the cactuses that I got from the yard sale, and also my fellow YouTuber slash friend Lisette. They've all rooted. And Fred here, Fred, say hi to Lisette. Look, it's about to bloom. Can't wait to see that. I have another little bloom here. Someone's doing something outside over there. And I guess I'll update you on my mountain cress garden arrangement that I made. These were all the cuttings that I got, and I made this arrangement. Reminded me of a cake, of a beautiful cake. That's still doing good. This arrangement I've had there for a long time, doing very good. The aeoniums look good. This kalanchoe that I beheaded not so long ago is looking really good. All these little plants are doing well. This arrangement, I don't know if I ever showed you guys this arrangement that I made. Bless you, Maxie. I hope you guys can see. There you go. The turtle. I posted it on Instagram. So that's doing well. And also, I don't know, I also shared this on Instagram. I found a new pot to put all my cuttings from CSG Succulents. Well, I had the pot. I just, you know, hadn't thought about it until the other one broke. And that's it. These cuttings that were my cuttings from my own garden are doing well in there too. And let's go out here. Remember this cactus, the one I got for free? It's about to flower. I can't wait to see what color flower it's gonna be. I'm watching Maxie because she's sneezing. What's wrong with your nose, buddy, huh? What's wrong? Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Maxie, say hi. You say hi? Yeah, you say hi. Get down. Okay, stop it. Anyways, so yeah, that's about the flower. I can't wait to see. I will post that on Instagram. It was gonna be another bud, but I guess it didn't make it. This bud over here. What else? That's it. Look, this blew up. I had just put this here not so long ago, and it's covered the whole thing. So nice. This one loves water and sun. She's doing well right there. And that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to update you guys on. Let me show you guys again the lithops. I hope they do good. I hope I can keep them for a very, very long time. And I hope they do well. I'll show you all these babies growing here. Look at Succulent. Yay! Since I lost my other big one, that one's coming back. And well, I have this one too, forever. Another plant. Please be good to me and stay good, stay healthy. This I found in the trash, and I thought I would keep it so that I can water it from the bottom up. And guys, look, I beheaded this, and look at all the babies that are coming. Can't wait to see that. I don't know if this is gonna do. I might have cut it too low. You can't go too low and you can't go too high. It needs to be right in, you know, the right spot. Here are my chromas, and here's that one. That one's doing well. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and if you still haven't watched my giveaway video, go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to like, guys. I need you to like the video and comment. And thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.